Let's see what the birds are up to. Oh wow, look at this. You guys enjoying yourselves? Trashing the garden? Huh? You look like you're having a blast. Enjoying that sun? Mom's gonna be pissed. So much for the garden. You guys think you're royalty here? Is this the royal chicken farm? Huh? You look pretty damn happy. Thanks for trashing the garden. Appreciate it. Nothing to say, huh? Wow. Looks fun. Oh, you just keep it up. Let's dig down deeper. Yeah, keep digging. Keep digging. This is great. Yeah, keep digging that hole. Stow all the dirt out, too. Yeah. Well, the joys of chickens in the backyard. Ah, yes. Keep up the good work. Oh, you're all done. Wow. Oh, thanks. Beautiful work, I must say. Very proud of you all. Oh, where are you going? Oh, you had too much fun? Time to go take a nap? Time to go nap? Maybe get a little food? How about you? What's your story? Not quite done yet? Gonna get a little more? Huh? A little more diggy dig? A little more dig? Thank you very much. Oh, you're wobbling drunk with the joy, huh? Well, this was supposed to be planted today. Obviously, we got a little extra work to do. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate all that hard work you guys did for us. Thank you. Now, go enjoy your nap, because we got some work to do.